Hi guys, in this video we will talk about slightly more advanced and unique features of Rupeezy Partner App. The basics have already been covered in previous demo video. To connect with your RM, you can go to the profile section of your app, and when you scroll down you will find all the information about your RM, their name, phone number and email ID. Make sure your profile section is updated because whatever is uploaded here will be seen to your potential clients when you generate new leads through the website. To generate new leads, click on Share My Website. A personalized message with a link will be generated, which you can share with people. When users click the link, they are redirected to your website, where they can fill in their details and request for a callback. Once a user enters their name and phone number, the lead appears in your Partner app under the Client section. The Client section has two options: existing clients and new leads. Users shown in the lead section are those who have either requested for a callback through your website or started but not completed the onboarding process in the Client app after completing one or two steps. Coming back to your Partner app now, on your home page, as you scroll down, you will see an upcoming SIP feature. Here, you can check your client's upcoming SIPs, autopay SIPs and non-autopay SIPs both. When you click on any option, you will see all your clients' names with their upcoming SIPs, SIP date and amount. In case of non-autopay SIPs, you can also connect your clients and make it an autopay SIP. There's an option for WhatsApp as well as call. From the client section of your app, you can also do SIP modifications on behalf of your clients. You can cancel, pause and edit SIP. You can go on the client section, select the client, click on SIP, STP feature and all of their SIPs will show. You can click on the SIP you want to modify and the options to edit. Pause and cancel will show on the bottom of your screen. You have these controls, and as per the client you can make the changes to the SIP. After you click on any modification option, an OTP will be generated, sent to the client, and once the client shares that OTP with you, the changes will be done. In the client section of the app, you can also see your client's external holdings. We have spoken about external holdings in previous demo video as well. So all of this is in your control as partners with just one OTP shared by your client. We have made it easier for you and your clients. In the previous demo video, we had covered how to share proposals to your clients. Now we have something new for you. Now you can share AI recommended baskets with detailed reports to your clients. For this, you can go to the proposal section of your Partner app, and on very top you will see AI recommended baskets. There are different categories of these recommended baskets. In case your clients want some specifications like they want to invest for a specific tenure, we have created these baskets to cater that. For now, we have added these 3 AI recommended baskets. There will be more in future. When you click on any of these, you will see more details like what all funds are added in this and in what proportion. You will also find a basket analysis report that you can click on and directly share with your client before they even invest. This report will have detailed analysis of all the funds added in the basket. You can check the commission structure in the More section of the app, and if you sign in here, you will be able to download this structure. In case you're finding a specific fund, you can click on 3 dots and search for a fund that you're looking for. Our newest addition to Rupeezy Partner app is this toolkit here in the More section of the app. This toolkit is to calculate your wealth over the time. We have made this in Google Sheets to make it easy to understand for all. As you click on the toolkit, you will be able to download this. You can make your monthly and yearly earning goals. You will find SIP and lump sum calculators everywhere, but commission calculators like such are not that common. We curated this specially for you partners. This was all about the Rupeezy Partner app. Very easy with Rupeezy.